Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel. Dream Cars. The Demon has always been synonymous with raw power and unmatched performance. In 2026, Dodge decided to take things up a notch by merging the Demon's legendary performance with the practicality of a pickup truck. The result, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup, a vehicle that's as powerful on the track as it is functional on the worksite. Let's dive into what makes this truck a game-changer. Design and exterior. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is a head-turner. It boasts aggressive styling with a wide stance, flared wheel arches, and an aerodynamic hood scoop reminiscent of the Demon's muscle car heritage. LED headlights with a distinct red tint, carbon fiber accents, and 22-inch alloy wheels complete its bold look. Key features: wide body design for improved stability, carbon fiber tailgate in performance, spoiler optional, matte and metallic paint finishes, including a signature deep red engine and performance. At the heart of the Demon pickup lies a monstrous supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 engine producing a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission in advanced all-wheel drive system. This beast accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just unheard of in the pickup world. Performance highlights: top speed 175 miles per hour, launch control and drag strip mode, active exhaust system for an intimidating roar. Interior and technology. Inside the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is a mix of luxury and tech. Premium leather seats with Demon embroidery, a 15-inch infotainment system, and a fully digital driver's display ensure you're as comfortable as you are informed. Tech features: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G connectivity. Driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance. Wireless charging in premium Harman Kardon audio system. Utility and practicality. Despite its performance focus, the Demon pickup doesn't skimp on utility. Its bed is lined with heavy-duty materials, has a 2,000-pound payload capacity, and includes a powered-to-no-cover till hooks in a reinforced frame allow it to tow up to 10,000 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. While the Demon pickup prioritizes power, Dodge has integrated features like cylinder deactivation in a mild hybrid system to improve fuel efficiency. Expect 16 mpg city and 22 mpg highway. Impressive for a vehicle with this level of performance. Price and availability. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup starts at $85,000 for the base model, with fully loaded variants reaching up to $100,000, limited to 10,000 units worldwide. It's a must-have for enthusiasts. Pre-orders open soon and deliveries are expected by mid-2026. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is not just a truck, it's a statement combining the raw power of the Demon with the functionality of a pickup. It redefines what a performance truck can be. Whether you're looking to dominate the drag strip or tackle tough terrain, this beast has you covered. What do you think of 2026 Dodge Demon pickup? Brings the legendary muscle car experience to the world of trucks, redefining performance, power, and attitude. With a fierce, aggressive exterior design, this powerhouse combines the raw strength of a muscle car with the practicality of a pickup. Under the hood, it features a high-performance engine that delivers jaw-dropping horsepower and torque, ensuring unmatched towing capacity and acceleration. The Demon pickup is packed with cutting-edge technology and premium materials, offering a comfortable yet exhilarating ride. Whether you're conquering tough worksite tasks or just cruising down the highway, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup provides the perfect blend of power, style, and versatility. Get ready to experience the ultimate muscle truck that's ready to take on any challenge. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more epic car review. Thanks for watching.